साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।
गजानना हे शुभानना,
गजानना हे शुभानना,
गजानना हे शुभानना,
गजानना हे शुभानना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
गजानना हे शुभानना,
गजानना हे शुभानना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
वक्रतुंडधर विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा पतिपुरीशा,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
सिद्धि विनायक पाहि गजानन,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना,
परम निरंजन गजवदना, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम,
ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम।
सबको सन्मति दो भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। सीताराम जय सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम।
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीताराम। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा। साई देवा देव देवा, साई देवा देव देवा, साई देवा देव देवा, साई देवा देव देवा। सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा, सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई देवा। अल्लाह यीशु गुरु ग्रंथ गोविंद, अल्लाह यीशु गुरु ग्रंथ गोविंद, अल्लाह यीशु गुरु ग्रंथ गोविंद, अल्लाह यीशु गुरु ग्रंथ गोविंद। मौला साई महावीर माधवा, मौला साई महावीर माधवा, मौला साई महावीर माधवा, मौला साई महावीर माधवा। सौराष्ट्र बुद्ध साई शंकरा, सौराष्ट्र बुद्ध साई शंकरा, सौराष्ट्र बुद्ध साई शंकरा, सौराष्ट्र बुद्ध साई शंकरा। साई देवा देव देवा, साई देवा देव देवा, साई देवा देव देवा। सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
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 मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई,
परती के अवतारा,
परती के अवतारा,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
मेरे बाबा मेरे साई,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
हिंदू मुस्लिम ईसाई आते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
मिलते हैं तेरे द्वारे,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम,
साई राम साई राम साई राम,
सर्वधर्म स्वरूपा साई। राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो,
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो,
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो, गुरु नानक हो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक हो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक हो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक हो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
युग अवतार तुम हो, विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
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 सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो,
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
बुद्ध कहो गुरु नानक कहो, सौराष्ट्र महावीर येशु कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
युग अवतार तुम हो, विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
युग अवतार तुम हो, विश्व शक्ति तुम हो।
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई महेशा।
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो,
पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
साई पर ब्रह्म तुम हो।
राम कहो कृष्ण कहो, ईश्वर अल्लाह साई कहो।
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो, मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो।
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो, मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो।
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो, मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो।
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो, मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो।
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो,
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो।
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो।
नानक येशु महावीर नाम भजो।
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो, श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो।
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो, श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री रघुराम भजो गोविंद कृष्ण 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 भजो
श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे 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 भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
नानक यीशु महावीर नाम भजो
नानक यीशु महावीर नाम भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री बुद्ध देवा भजो भजो रे भजो श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे भजो
श्री रघुराम भजो गोविंद कृष्ण भजो
श्री रघुराम भजो गोविंद कृष्ण भजो
श्री साई बाबा भजो भजो रे 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 भजो अल्लाह नाम भजो भजो रे भजो मौला नाम भजो भजो रे भजो
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
राम हरे साई कृष्ण हरे सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
अल्लाह ईश्वर साई हरे
गुरु नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
नानक यीशु बुद्ध हरे
सौराष्ट्र महावीर साई हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
बाबा सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे,
राम हरे साई कृष्ण 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 हरे,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय साई हरे। अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
ईशु साई करुणा सागर,
यीशु साई करुणा सागर,
ईशु साई करुणा सागर,
यीशु साई करुणा सागर,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
सद्गुरु साई अंतर्यामी,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
नानक साई प्रेम साई,
ईशु साई करुणा सागर,
यीशु साई करुणा सागर,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय सत्य साई,
अल्लाह साई मौला साई। सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा,
सत्य
साई देवा
सत्य साई देवा
सत्य साई देवा
सत्य साई देवा
अल्लाह येशु बुद्धर नानक
येशु बुद्धर नानक
अल्लाह येशु बुद्धर नानक
येशु बुद्धर नानक
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो
राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो साई विश्वरूप तुम हो सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा सत्य साई देवा अल्लाह येशु बुद्धर नानक सौराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो राम भी तुम हो कृष्ण भी तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो विश्वरूप तुम हो साई विश्वरूप तुम हो सर्वधर्म प्रिय देवा
भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण जय राध जय माधव गौरी जय राध जय राध जय माधव गौरी मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन मंगल चरण कलिमल दहन नारायण केशवा हरि नारायण केशवा राध जय माधव गौरी जय राध जय राध जय माधव गौरी जय भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण चौरी जय राध जय माधव चौरी जय राध भवभयहरण वन्दित चरण भवभयहरण वन्दित राधा जय माधव शौरी जय राधा जय माधव
श्री सत्य साई ये सब गुण कृपा करने वाले श्री सत्य साई को अर्पित करेंगे अपना अर्पित करेंगे अपना
मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्. Offering my most loving pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Swami, who is always present here and in every one of our hearts. Respected Chancellor and Chairman of the Sri Sathya Sai Global Council, Sri Chakravarti Garu, Managing Trustee of the Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust, Sri Ratnakar Garu, Vice Chairman of the Sri Sathya Sai Global Council and President of the Sri Sathya Sai Seva Organizations India, and all of my three dearest national coordinators present here, Mrs. Nimish Pandya, Kamala Pandya, who is the Education Coordinator, Dr. Neeta Khanna, who is the Spiritual Coordinator for India, and Mrs. Shashi Bala, who is the Seva Coordinator for India. And Sai Ram to all of you, sisters and brothers who are present in this most auspicious and sacred space and are giving me the opportunity to speak of His glory in His presence. I thank you all for giving me this opportunity, the organizers. Since yesterday, we have been talking about all the various wonderful innate qualities of a woman and how Swami, in fact, yesterday, Brother Ratnakar very beautifully said, the one woman in 150 countries worshipped on the same day is Mother Ishwaramma. Swami created Ishwaramma Day. To the mother who gave us this beautiful form that we all come with so much love to see. He has created another day for the ladies here in Prashanthi Nilayam and all over the world, where we celebrate the innate beautiful qualities that are within a woman. So it is indeed my really an honor to be present here with all of you to speak a few of my own personal experiences of this Divine Mother's love in this lovely place. There are two aspects of Swami that has touched me in my life. The divine motherly aspect. I had my own wonderful mother, as she said, who served as the state coordinator for Balavikas in the state of Karnataka for 25 years under Swami's guidance. She will be present in spirit today when all these wonderful ladies who have served Swami have been honored. But Swami has played the role of a spiritual but very, very loving mother in my life as well. And that aspect today, I would like to share with you two of them. One, that of a mother. The second one, that of a guru. I am a teacher by profession. I was a Balavikas guru at Swami's command at a very young age of 15. When Swami made my mother the coordinator, he asked me to start doing Balavikas classes in Bangalore, which she had started. So the guru aspect of Swami also touches my heart. So these two incidents, I hope I will be able to share with you today. Swami had got me married in Vrindavan, and it was going to be my 25th wedding anniversary. I had come in June to Prashanthi Nilayam by myself, as I knew that my husband and I would not be able to come in December when he had married us. And I came, and Swami, with his infinite grace, called me in for an interview. In the interview, I told him, Swami, it has been 25 years since I started my journey with my husband towards you. Please bless us. We will not be able to come in December. Swami said, Parvaledle, it's all right. You go to Ganesha temple in New York, Swami said. I said, all right, Swami, I will do that. And very lovingly, he materialized some vibhuti for me, put it in my hand. And in this very room, which brings back so many memories, he took a piece of paper from that windowsill, took my hand, and made me put all the vibhuti back into the paper. Normally he says, eat it, eat it. But that day, he held my wrist and made me put all the vibhuti into that little piece of paper, folded it very lovingly. America tisko po, he said, take it to America. I, of course, in my non-wisdom thought that he was giving it for my husband, who was not there, since I had mentioned that it was our 25th wedding anniversary. So I very carefully kept it, took it from the interview room to my room, put it in my purse, and put the zipper very carefully. And in those days, we had to go to the STD booth, made a call to the US, told my husband that Swami had given me an interview, and he had given him vibhuti to bring back. My husband was, of course, disappointed, as well as very happy that Swami had thought of him and given him vibhuti. The visit went, and I went back to the US. I opened my purse to share that vibhuti with my husband, and search as I might, I could not find that vibhuti in my purse. I looked in every zipper, every pouch. You know, as ladies, we have so many little pockets in our purse. I looked everywhere, I could not find it. My husband was a little annoyed with me. He said, you got the interview, you got the blessing, but you did not even bring the vibhuti carefully for me. I apologized to him, but search as I might in the month of June, I could not find it. Months went by, December came along when it was our anniversary, and as Swami had suggested, we both went to the Ganesha temple in New York. After having had darshan and finishing all the pujas there, the prayers there, we had bought some tickets for a musical program in New York for a Broadway show. So both of us went there, and we were watching this beautiful program, and during the intermission, I went to the ladies' room, to the washroom. And there was a Hispanic lady who was cleaning the bathroom. She kept staring at me, and I assumed that she was staring at me because I was in Indian clothes, since I had gone from the temple. And it was a little uncomfortable because she kept watching me wash my hands. After a few seconds, she looked at me and said, "You India?" I said, "Yes, I am from India." Again, she was silent for a few seconds, and I was beginning to feel a little uncomfortable. I wanted to leave the washroom when she said, "You know a man called Sai Baba?" Immediately, my ears perked up. I said, "Yes, I do. How do you know him?" She said, "I don't know him," she said. "Man with curly hair and orange dress?" she asked me. I said, "Yes." She said, "His name Sai Baba?" I said, "Yes." And I said again, "Why do you know him and why do you ask?" She said, "I don't know no Sai Baba, but I have an 8-year-old daughter. Her kidneys have failed and she is in the hospital." So I, being the immediately judgmental person that I am, said, "Oh, she's in the hospital and you are here?" She said, "I have to work. If I don't work, I cannot pay the hospital bills. I have no medical insurance. She's not going to live for very long. I am a Catholic. I worship my Lord Jesus, and I have been praying to him for 3 months. And he has not helped me at all," she said. "I have been praying to him. He has not helped me. But 4 days ago, this man with the curly hair come in my dream," she said. "He say, 'Woman from India come to your place of work.' She got vibhuti, but she did not know how to say vibhuti. She said she has booty. She has booty." I say, "Who are you?" He said, "I, Sai Baba. Woman bring booty. You take it from her, your child will be well." So I did not believe this strange dream of some strange Indian man who looked even stranger the way he looked. I got up. Second day, the same dream. "I, Sai Baba, India woman come, take booty." I said, "Did he say vibhuti?" He said, yes, that word." I said, "What vibhuti?" He said, "White powder medicine." So, second day, the same dream. Third day, the same dream. Fourth day, the same dream. "But no India woman come here," he said. "Today, 5th day, you India woman. You say you are from India. You say you know this man with the orange robe. You have white powder medicine called booty, vibhuti." I frantically opened my purse in the hope that I had some vibhuti packet in my purse, because usually I carry something. Hopefully I have it to give it to her. I opened my purse, and ladies and gentlemen, you would have guessed that right on top of my wallet, that packet that he in this room had so lovingly folded and given it to me and said, take it to America. 6 months before this mother had asked for help, this divine mother was ready to help. From the devotion of her heart, she had called her Lord Jesus. And here he was, Sai Jesus, ready to help her even before she had called him. So I gave her the vibhuti. By the time I went back into the program, it was dark and I had to step over people, and I tried to whisper to my husband. And he said, be quiet, don't talk. I'm always in trouble for talking too much. He said, be quiet. And as we drove back from New York to Washington, D.C., I excitedly told him about my experiences in the washroom. And he, of course, being the NASA engineer that he is, his first question to me was, did you take her telephone number? We know so many Sai devotees who are doctors. Maybe some doctor can help her. And I said, Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. He himself, that doctor with the white powder, has helped her. Who are we to help? Who are we to help? But then I was also very joyfully telling him, see, you were so upset with me. The vibhuti was never meant for you. The vibhuti was meant for this mother, from one mother to another mother. This divine mother was looking after that young mother with an 8-year-old child. This is our divine, beautiful mother, whose qualities we want to imbibe within our heart, so that we can bring out those qualities when we serve others. So this program finished. I came back the following year in June, as usual, being a teacher, June being the month of vacation, summer holidays for us. I came. Swami, with his divine grace, invited me and my family into this room again. He closed the door, turned on the fan, turned toward us, walking towards the chair. He said, New York ఎలా ఉండింది? How was New York? I said, Swami, that little girl, ఏమి కిడ్నీ ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ లేదు బంగారు. పాప బాగుంది. No kidney transplant. The child is well. How fortunate we are to be sitting in these holy grounds, thinking of him where he has walked and talked and ever present. How fortunate we are to have the motherly qualities within us so that we can emulate him. This beautiful quality of Swami's, that love, that unconditional love, accepting us as we are, with all our faults, with all our problems, he accepts us and yet comes to our rescue in a moment. Whether we call him or not, I said, Swami, she did not know you. She said, man with curly hair. And she called out for Jesus. And Swami smacked me on my cheek and said, Ye per pilichina na pere. Whichever name you call me, I am that name. Yesterday, the young ladies sang so beautifully, Sarva Dharma Priya Deva. We sing in our bhajans, but we need to also understand that he is hearing every word that we are saying as long as our hearts are connected to him. So this is one incident that has stayed with me. It is 25 years wedding anniversary. Now my husband and I have celebrated 44 years of our marriage that Swami did. And yet, this incident remains as fresh in my memory as though it happened yesterday. Every time I sit here, I look at that window, I remember that little piece of paper that Swami held my hand and poured in. The other incident that happened to me more personally was during Swami's 75th birthday. We are soon to celebrate the centennial year. We are celebrating birthdays year after year. During Swami's 75th birthday, I was the Balavikas coordinator of our center, Sri Satya Sai Global Council South Bethesda Center in Washington area. We had a very big program for that, and I being the coordinator, we had a lot of Balavikas children's program. And we had been rehearsing continuously. I had come in June and I had told Swami, we are going to do this program. Swami had blessed the program. And he said, I will be there to see the drama, he told me. So we were even more motivated to work very hard. And we all were practicing day in and day out. Swami's birthday celebrations always coincides with the Thanksgiving holiday in the United States. So it becomes a long weekend for us. So everybody was busy celebrating Thanksgiving, thanking the Lord for all the wonderful gifts He has bestowed upon us. And along with that, we were practicing. The day before Swami's birthday on the 22nd, I finished the rehearsals. It was late in the evening, around 6 o'clock in the evening. And I was driving back home, and I stopped at the bank to withdraw some money for my own personal prayers early in the morning for Swami's birthday. The program was in the afternoon. I wanted to buy some flowers and fruits to offer to Swami at my altar. I stopped at the ATM, and as you can see, I'm a short person. I brought the window down at the ATM machine to withdraw some money, and I could not reach the ATM machine. So I opened the door, and I was trying to get some money out of it, when suddenly there was another car waiting behind me to use the ATM, when a man entered the back seat of my car. He opened the door and entered the back seat, grabbed my hair, pulled my head back, and put a huge knife to my throat. My head was back. I could only see the rear view mirror. I could see it was a man with a hat on, blue eyes, blonde hair. And he just said, drive, 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 he said. I did not do the melodramatic thing that we see in every movie. I did not call out, Sai Rama, help me, Broche Varevurura. I did not call any such name. But out of sheer habit, I had a small sticker of Swami on next to my steering wheel. Without my knowledge, I must have put my hand on that, my thumb on that picture. It was my habit. Swami had told me, every time you get in the car and get out of the car, you put on your hand on my picture. He had told me 40 years ago. So I just got into the habit of doing that. I put my thumb on that. That's all I did. I don't even consciously remember that. But I had a knife. I could not see in front of me, so I could not drive. Though the man insisted, drive, drive, drive. Where to drive? He had my head back. I couldn't see. I said, and this is where, as Brother Nimish was saying yesterday, we have to allow Him to take over our thoughts and words and actions. I did not consciously call out, but I don't know what words came out of my mouth. No woman has planned an attack in the car by some man with a knife. It was Swami's birthday the next day. I was full of excitement about that. And suddenly, I don't know how I said this. I said, look, if it is the money you want, you can take it. Because I had just withdrawn money. You can take it. He said, no, drive, he kept saying. And just as I was trying to drive out of the ATM, suddenly, there were 2 police cars that came and blocked my exit. It came and stopped in front of me about 6 feet away maybe, where these ladies are sitting. The car stopped. So now there was no way that I could drive out of there. Drive, drive, he kept saying. I said, I cannot drive. My one leg was still outside of the car when I had tried to open the door. My car door was still open, and yet he insists, and there was no way to go. Again, as I said, no woman plans this. I don't know what words came out of my mouth. I said, look, I cannot drive. Why don't you give yourself up? There are 2 police cars there. They will take you away. Maybe if you give yourself up, you won't get such a big sentence. This is my poor knowledge of the American Constitution and the law there. Why don't you give yourself up? There was silence. The silence felt like it was hours. It must have been 30 seconds. Suddenly the man asks me, how come you're not scared? I didn't know why I was not scared. I was talking as normally as I'm talking now. I said, and all the years of listening to Swami's discourses, I said, what is there to be scared? If my time has come to go, it has come to go. It is time for me to go. But what will you do? You are going to get caught. He said, you are really not afraid? I said, no, my children are grown up. What is there to be afraid? It is my time to go. But you will be stuck with these police. Why don't you give yourself up? I'm talking to him as though I have known him for many years. Again there was silence. And he says, okay. He opens the door with the knife, gets out of the car, walks to the front of my car, and before one could blink the eyes, there were 6 police officers who had jumped on him, chained his legs, chained his hands, and dragged him into the police car, which I could not bear to see him being dragged like that. The policemen came running. By this time, there was a crowd around my car. There was about 7 o'clock in the evening, especially being Thanksgiving holiday. A lot of people had come shopping. There was a crowd around my car, and the policeman, a tall African-American policeman, came running, opened the door. Are you okay? Are you okay? I could not speak because of the pressure of that knife that he had kept. I signed to him. He said, come out, because the crowd was gathering. He just picked me up like I was a doll. This tall gentleman showed me to everybody and said, she's okay, happy Thanksgiving, everybody go home. He put me down. But I was very agitated having seen this man being dragged. I said, why are you dragging that man like that? Will he be put in the jail? He said, well, we had received intimation that he had escaped from the jail, which was why we were able to come within 3 seconds of the call from the car behind you. The car behind me had called 911, which had made them come within about 30 seconds or so. So I said, oh, will he get a lawyer? What are you going to do with him? He said, ma'am, he has got a long list of offenses. You should be worrying about your lawyer, not his. I said, no, I don't want him to be hurt. Will he be okay? Then the policeman drove my car to the side and he said, would you like to come and give a report at the police station? I said, no. As it is, you are saying he has a long list. He will be in jail for a long time, you are saying. I don't want to add to his troubles, as long as he doesn't come out and trouble others. He said, you are a strange woman. He said, anyway, can you drive home? I said, okay. I drove home. 2 police cars drove behind me to make sure I had reached safely. When I reached home, the policeman came up to the door and he said, here is a visiting card. You are sounding abnormally normal, he said. Abnormally normal. Here is a hotline number. If you need any psychological help from the trauma, this number will help you. I said, no, thank you. I have my own hotline. I have my hotline with me. I don't need this number. He said, you keep it. You keep it. I came home. My husband came home a little late in the evening. I told him what had happened. And by that time, ladies and gentlemen, it was already Swami's birthday here in India, because this was late night in the US. My mother called me from the STD booth and she said, are you okay? I said, why? He said, Swami, we came in the procession. And while he was coming in the procession with all the band and the Veda chanting, he stopped for 1 second and asked her sitting there in the first arch, how is Geetama? My mother did not know what to answer. She said, she is okay, I think, Swami. Because when Swami asked such a question, why is he asking in the middle of the birthday celebration? I think she is okay, Swami. Ippudu bagundile. She is okay now, he said. And he came away. So this was the Sai mother to me, who came without calling, who came with my hand, my thumb on his picture. And the birthday celebrations went on. Following year again, I came in June. And as I came here in June, as soon as he walked in, he said, Abbabba, 3 ways help chesnano. I helped you in 3 ways, he said. I said, what is the 3 ways, Swami? Policeman came in 30 seconds. You spoke the right words. I am also in that thief. I listened to your words in his heart. And he got out of the car. In 3 ways, I helped you. He said, yes, Swami, but I'm mortified that I never called out your name, Swami. I never called out after all these years at your lotus feet. I did not think of calling your name. He said, Petnav kadachi. He said, you put your hand in my hand. You put your hand in my hand. That's all you needed to do. That's all you needed to do. Years of habit of putting my hand on that picture, that was all that was needed. He said, so bit by bit becomes a habit. He said, every day is Namasmarana, every day is sadhana. This is a sadhana shivir for ladies. Every day that we do sadhana by doing his Namasmarana, doing his seva and improving ourselves, he blossoms within our heart so that he can come within us to say the right words, to sing the right songs, to do the right actions, so that we can all become little lamps in this divine mission of Swami's. Small little lamps. We may not do much, but we can become little lamps lighting other lamps. So these two experiences have stayed with me, forever imprinting upon me this divine mother, whether we call him or not. If we do even a little bit of his work, whether it is seva, whether it is as a Balavika's guru, or whether as these ladies here today who were honored, who have given their life in service to him, he will come to our aid. I cannot stop without thanking Swami again for giving me this beautiful opportunity to speak of him in his divine presence. I have to thank all of the office bearers, the managing trustee as well as Chakravarti Garu for giving me this opportunity to stand here and speak of him before you. And above all also, I have to thank my parents who brought me at birth to his lotus feet and taught me that there is no other way other than the way to Prashanti Nilayam. We're saying this as somebody who comes from the Shri Satya Sai Global Council of Zone 1. I must say that we are all eagerly waiting for Swami's centennial celebrations. Zone 1 consists of United States, Canada, Trinidad and Tobago. All the ladies there are creating a new ladies' wing so that they can do more and more work. All of them are waiting to participate in the divine celebrations of Swami's centennial. Thank you all again for giving me a patient here. Jai Sai Ram.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपकान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, ది బెస్ట్ వే టు లవ్ గాడ్ ఈజ్ టు లవ్ ఆల్, సర్వ్ ఆల్. మనం అందరినీ ప్రేమించాలి.